Trying to keep up with cybersecurity can seem overwhelming. A good first step is putting in place a security awareness program. A security awareness program is a way of keeping you and your staff informed about good cybersecurity practices. It can be very simple and readily developed by your employees. It should start with basic training for staff. Over time, it should expand to include updates and reminders on policies, standards, and best practices. Your security awareness plan can include a scheduled review to update existing security measures for your business, including adopting new means of protection as needed. Training and educating personnel is vital to having a strong cybersecurity system in place. Choose topics that are simple, focused, and concise. Key messages should be repeated, but it is important to engage with employees in multiple ways to avoid having your messages ignored. That would defeat the purpose. For example, spam advice could be reinforced through emails, posters, and staff meetings. You could even supplement this with periodic quizzes, contests, and rewards to keep employees interested and involved.